Hi guys, this is I'm teaching Zap Lalo. In that, what you have to do, you have to make a hole in the center so that castle and the one who is touching the castle get destroyed. Like in this scenario, if you check this castle, air sweeper, expo, inferno are all can remove from Zap. Okay, but since we are doing air attack, all these sweepers need to be get cleared. Okay, so what we can do, एक second. What we can do is like for destroying Inferno, we need 4 zap, 1 earthquake. Okay, and for destroying Expo, we need 5 zap, 1 earthquake. So rather than removing Expo, we are removing all the 2 sweepers. For sweeper, we need 2 lightning and 1 earthquake. Okay, so what we will do, we'll put 4 over here so that this 4 get damaged, and we'll put 2 over here so this 4 can damage, and by an earthquake this can be removed. Check. Understand? Now if you check, there is some center hole over here. So what we have to do, by king queen, from wherever side you are comfortable, you can go inside and make a path so that your balloon work accordingly. And this is a whole circle, you have to convert this thing into a small u, or how much you can small that u, it will be very good for pathing. See, if you I am going from this side because I can think this queen can be accessible. If it's not accessible, then we have two freezes to freeze this multi and queen with together, so that it will be very helpful for us, helpful for balloon to clear this thing. Okay, now check. I'm putting two giant for tanking, then putting two baby for funneling, then a wall breaker to destroy this wall so that king, queen, and giant can move in. Now just waiting for waking funnel. See, this is a circle. If this whole thing is getting destroyed by our heroes, a proper U shape can be defined, which will be very helpful for Lalo. Like see, luckily my queen get enemy queen, so it would be very easy for me to destroy this all type of bases. Check, it's a proper U using queen ability so that I can take out this air defense and take out one enemy queen. Okay, now what I can do, I can start from here also, I can start from here also. Through there is no air defense, and we have three lalos, three lava. So what we can do, we will put lava and put three balloons so that lava will directly go on this, and three balloon will target cannon. Now if I put more balloons over here, then also it will go cannon only. So rather than putting all balloons together, we can destroy this balloon by giving this cannon, and by there, by here, or when balloon came again, then I gave a stone slammer. Check. Lava, three balloon. I thought this balloon would be go over here, but it's okay, never mind. Given a SS for tanking, since there is no air defense, so there is no more defenses to hurt any SS. So by the while SS comes over here, so I just given a lava so that AD target only lava. So we have created a pathing for this type of some balloons over here so that we can clear this stuff, center stuff, and all this U type shaped has been cleared by SS. Meanwhile, I will put min and sum so that clearance can be done. Check. And haste to raging stuff, or seeing where you will need this would be done by your experience, but at least at the initial stage you should know where the pathing should goes for lava. Now I will double the stuff so that there is no more thing, only clearance is left. This is how we do. Thank you.